different elements. Different elements is called compound ion. Is called which ion? Compound ion. Example to this. Example sulfate ion. SO4 minus 2. SO4 minus 2. This is the ion. Because of this ion charge. Plus or minus. There is no important to. Okay. It is containing how many atoms? How many atoms? More than 2. Sulfur is one oxygen sulfur means more than 2. These are the same atom of different atom of elements. So that's why it is a compound ion. Another one, carbonate ion, CO3 minus 2. CO3 minus 2. It is also containing more than 2 atoms. These are the different atoms of elements. Different elements. It is containing more than 2 atoms of different elements. That is also example of the compound ion. Next, nitrate ion. NO3 minus, etc. Okay, this is the information about type of ions based on the atoms involved. Based on this one means type of atoms involved in the formation of ion. Ions are again classified into two types. They are simple ion and compound ion. Simple ion. The ions contain one or more atoms of same elements. They are called simple ions. Example to this one: Cl minus, Br minus, Na plus, S minus 2. Means chloride ion, bromide ion, sodium ion, and sulfide ion. Next is compound ion. The ion which contain two or more atoms of different elements is called as compound ion. Example to sulfate ion, carbonate ion, nitrate ion, etc. Okay, right up. Ion of organic compound. Right. Gnamdi, what is ion? So Gnamdi, anyone? What is the definition of ion? Simple ion. What is the definition of ion? First off, particles are called ions. Very good. Based on the charge, ions are classified how many types? Based on charge, ions are classified how many types? Cation and anion. Cation and anion. Earlier, the cation and anions are referred as which names? Acidic radicals and basic radicals. Okay. Type of atoms involved in the formation of ion. Ions are again classified two types: simple ion and compound ion. Next one is ions of organic compounds. Okay. Organic compounds. Organic compounds means there is in ions in organic compounds. Ions in organic compounds is not a fundamental unit, but in special conditions ions are formed. Okay, in organic compounds ion is not a fundamental unit, but in special conditions it can form. Ions can form. Ions in organic compounds. In organic compound is not a fundamental unit. But in special conditions ions are formed. But in special conditions ions are formed. In organic compounds, ions are again two types. In organic compounds, how many types of ions are there? Two types. They are carbonium ion, carbene ions. Carbonium ion and carbene ion. Ions are formed There are two. There are how many? Two. There are how many? Two. First one is carbonium ion. First one is carbonium ion. Carbonium ion. Second one is carbene ion. Carbene ion. Carbonium ion and carbene ion. Carbonium ion means in that carbon is having the positive charge. C is having which charge? Positive charge. Right in the back. And in carbene ion, C is having the negative charge. It's very, very important. One type of mind maps. In carbonium ion, charge of carbon is plus, means positive. In carbene ion, charge of carbon is negative charge. Okay? In organic compounds are how many? In organic compounds, ions are how many types? Two types. What are? Carbonium ion and carbene ion. Carbonium ion means it is the carbon. In ion, carbon is having the which charge? Positive charge. Carbene ion which charge? Negative charge. Right. First one goes to carbonium ion. Carbonium ion. Right. Look here. In this ion, carbon is having the positive charge. In this having the carbon is having the which charge? Positive charge. Okay. Carbon having positive charge. Carbon having positive charge is known as carbonium ion. In organic compounds, carbon is having the positive charge. Then the ion is called carbonium ion. Okay. In carbonium ions, carbon is having which charge? Positive charge. Ions. Carbonium ion. Okay. Carbon is having positive charge. Carbon is having positive charge. Positive charge is known as carbonium ion. Carbonium ion. Carbonium ion. If you observe this, okay. Right, carbon is having the charge. Right. This is the carbon. Generally, carbon is containing 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3. On this carbon, which charge is there? Positive charge. Which charge? Positive charge. So positive charge. Carbon is having the positive charge. The ion is called carbonium ion. Carbonium ion. This is the which charge? Positive charge. Positive charge. Right up. Right up first. Carbonium ion. Example. Methyl carbonium ion. Next another example is CH3 single bond CH2 plus. This one is ethyl carbonium ion. Methyl CH3 group is methyl group. Which charge is there? Positive charge. That's why methyl carbonium ion. C2H5. CH3 single bond CH2 means CH2 C2H5. C2 CH3 single bond CH2 means C2H5 plus. H5 plus means which ion? Ethyl ion. C2H5 ion is ethyl ion. Plus charge is there. That's why that is the ethyl carbonium ion. CH3 group is methyl group. Positive charge are there. That's why that is the methyl carbonium ion. C2H5 is the ethyl group. C2H5 is having the plus charge. That's why that ion is ethyl carbonium ion. Ethyl carbonium ion. Okay? Right. CH3. CH3 plus. Name of the compound is, name of the ion is methyl carbonium ion. CH3 plus. Chinaipan pattern. Methyl carbonium ion. Next one is C2H5 plus. C2H5 plus. Chinaipan gear pakana. Ethyl carbonium ion. Ethyl carbonium ion. Next is generation of carbonium ion. Next is carbonium ion. Generation of carbonium ion. How to form the carbonium ion and the organic compound? Simple. Carbonium ion is formed by the heterolytic bond fusion. Heterolytic bond fusion. For example, you are taking one is covalent bond. Heterolytic fusion of covalent bond can give the which ion? Carbonium ion. First, what is the homolytic bond fusion? What is the heterolytic bond fusion? Homolytic. Bond means how many electrons are required to form a single bond? 2 electrons are required. 2 electrons. 2 electrons means a single bond. This is the covalent bond. Okay? Equal break means 2 bond electrons are goes to both of the atoms. For example, this atom is quiet. This atom and quiet. This bond break is involved in the equal bond break. Equal bond break. Which 2 electrons one goes to X, another goes to Y. Another goes to Y. Equal bond fusion is takes place between the X and Y. Then this fusion is called homolytic bond fusion. Homolytic bond fusion. For example, another bond is going. This is the A. This one is B. Both bond atoms are goes to one of the bond atom. These two are maybe goes to B, or these two are goes to maybe A. Means both bond atoms means how many electrons are there? 2 electrons. Bond electrons are goes to one of the bonded atoms. Then means unequal break. Equal break 2 and equal. Unequal means రెండు ఏవై బార్ బి కట్టం. Unequal bond breaking is called heterolytic bond fusion. In heterolytic bond fusion, carbonium ion is formed, which is formed carbonium ion. In homolytic fusion, carbene ion is formed. That is the difference between carbonium ion and carbene ion. Carbonium ion is formed in the which bond fusion? Homolytic bond fusion. Carbene ion is formed in the which bond fusion? Heterolytic bond fusion. Homolytic bond fusion means to form a single bond, how many electrons are required? 2 electrons. These 2 electrons are goes to both bonded atoms, means one is goes to X, another goes to Y. Means one electron goes to X, another one is goes to Y. Equal bond breaking is takes place in between the 2 bonded atoms. In the time the bond cleavage or bond fusion is called homolytic bond fusion. Due to the homolytic bond fusion, next heterolytic bond fusion. Heterolytic means 2 electrons are goes to only one of the bonded atom. Means unequal breaking is takes place in between the 2 bonded atoms. Okay, right, thank you.